Alright, back with the Mazda. We are currently taking out all this retarded vacuum lines and anything else that's going to be in my way that I don't need, which is basically 90% of what's in here. So that's fun. But you know, this is should be pretty easy to take out. I believe the only thing holding it in is these right here. I think that's the only thing left. And then I'm pretty sure it'll come right out. I guess we'll find out.
I need some like pliers or something, I think. Well, I don't know, I might be able to get.
Nah, you're getting it.
See, it spins occasionally.
Yeah, occasionally. I think you get it. But yeah, I'm really not sure what these pipes are. Are these like smog, I guess?
EGR stuff.
EGR, smog, yeah, looks like it. I forgot what they went to. It's been a hot minute since I took this motor out. What else are we gonna have to do? I'm sure we'll have to take these out, right? These old mounts.
Yeah.
Yeah, figures.
Yeah, it's just spinning now. Do you think you can hold it?
Ow, no.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Okay, so that's about all we're doing right now. Nothing too special. So as soon as we get all this crap out of here, we will join back with you. So we'll be right back. Welcome back. We finally got our engine mounts brand new. So we're gonna take a look at them real quick, show you guys what they are. This is the Transdapt Universal Ford mount. The reviews on it on Amazon, it's $100. But as you can see, got the crossbar goes underneath, goes directly to the other side. There was no issues with this going on, not at all. Motor mounts fit perfect. The reviews on this, the guys, I think there was like 17 reviews I looked at, and most of them were like, if you have a hot rod, if you're doing a motor swap that involves a Ford small block, use this. So that's what we're doing. We already know we're gonna have to cut these tubes off on the end right here. We don't know how much, because this, you know, the Mazda's really narrow in there in the engine bay, but we know darn well it's gonna be around in this general vicinity how much we're gonna cut. We're about to test fit and see where we can put this motor, because if you'll come this way, we got the engine bay pretty much cleaned out with everything that was in the way, but these plates right here, if I can get the motor back far enough without, you know, without it hitting the firewall, then we're gonna weld it and make a diagonal cut on the tube itself and see if it'll fit right there. We don't know if it'll fit yet. We're still gonna make sure that my headers can go and we have enough room for those around here, and my oil filter. We also have to make sure that, because those oil filters on the side on the front of the motor, so gotta make room. If we get lucky, it'll fit, but with our luck, nothing fits. So if that doesn't fit, then we'll probably wind up taking these off, if that's also where we can put them.
I mean, regardless, we do need to pull
Regardless, we probably need to take these out anyways. But either way, we will find somewhere to weld this. I don't care if I have to make a plate that goes straight up and just weld the damn things to it. I don't care. But, so, yeah, I mean, that's basically where we're at right now. We're about to test fit. And we're probably gonna do a little fast speed motion through this. So, you know, you'll see that here in just a second. So, this might be a really tight fit, but we're gonna make it work. So I guess you'll see how we do this. Okay. thing is fitting kind of miraculously. I don't know what to say about it, but I'm gonna go with it because this never happens. So I ain't complaining. And what we could do, I'll go ahead and pick you guys up. With our mount here, see the original mount that came with the 4-cylinder. I know it's a 4-cylinder mount, but if it works, we could probably drill a hole through it and just bolt right through it. I feel like we could probably do that pretty well, actually. So this might work out pretty darn well. I am excited.
I am too. This might work, because literally that mount, here, grab the measuring tape, it's in the seat.
All right, we'll get the measuring tape.
Measure the distance from here to the inside and then the outside to outside. Inside, you measure the inside.
3 and right before 3/4.
3 and like right at 3 1/8 or 1/16. That might work. I think we can.
If it fits right there and everything clears, then we can do that.
You might have your motor setting in your truck today.
Oh man! All right, we're gonna go back to high speed. Okay, we'll be right back. We gotta go grab the jack, but this thing is gonna go in here today, boys. We are excited.
Once it's in here, it ain't coming back.
No, it ain't coming out. This is supposed to be a test fit, but this is gonna be the fit. Right, this is going in here today. All right, so we will catch up with you guys here in just a minute whenever we have it ready to set in, and then we will explain what we did, exactly how to get it in there. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we ran into a little bit of trouble, as I figured we would. It's not gonna go back far enough yet because of the transmission. I don't know if I can, here, I'll see if I can get you down here and show you. The transmission, the tower for it right there is hitting the trans tunnel. So we're gonna have to, he's ratchet strapping it up so it stays up. We're gonna set the motor down where it is. We are missing, I don't know, probably 2 inches.
Here, I got an idea.
What's your idea?
Set it down.
That's not gonna do it.
Wait.
That is slammed. But we have a 302 sitting in a Mazda at least. It's not completely down, but it's sitting there. But anyway, we're gonna roll it back to the house, and we are going to cut some out of my trans tunnel. So just
Right, it's like barely hovering.
that's fine.
It's sitting on its own though.
As long as it's not hitting the ground, I don't care. So you know, if you guys run a manual, as you know, because I'm running a manual. What is this trans? It's a M50D R2, right? Okay, so it's the M50D R2 is the transmission I have. If you guys choose to run that, you guys will have to cut a sliver in your trans tunnel, and we'll show you that when we get over there. Well, I say sliver, but it's going to be a pretty big chunk. But we'll show you that when we get over there. But anyway, we're going to roll it back over there, and we'll pick up with you guys in a minute. All right, guys, so we're going to start our cut right about here. Well, I'm going to try to get as close to this. Well, I guess that's not helping anything. So I guess we're going to go from here up to here, go across, cut back down. Don't forget your grinder, and don't forget your personal protective equipment. Yes, I am using these. We're gonna go with it. Couldn't find any safety goggles, so you know, you just kind of use what you got, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna go with it. Yeah. All right, what's up, guys? I'm back. All right, so we figured out what we had to do to get my transmission to fit. Please ignore my personal protective equipment. on my head. I gotta use the grinder a little bit more. So basically, the transmission that I'm using out of a truck, it's a lot shorter than if I would have had one out of a Mustang. So I'm having to cut really far up God, I cannot talk today. Up the trans tunnel. So I might have to make my own shifter. So we've decided we're gonna make it out of chain. We're gonna weld chain and make it work. So I don't think there'll be a problem with that. So other than that, I think it's about to go in. I have hope. So I'll show you guys real quick where I'm cutting. You like my personal protective equipment? Zach's over there filling up the air compressor. All right, so get in this junk. All right, so basically, we'll take a look. See, I've already cut quite a bit. But as you can see, that shaft is right there. So basically, I'm gonna have to cut from here up as far as I can and back down, and it should be able to go up enough to where we can get this transmission in here, hopefully. So I guess we're gonna find out. Anyways, I'll sit you guys down so you guys can enjoy some sparks. Okay, it smells like butthole in here, but I believe we're gonna make it work. All right, so we got it basically situated, right? Yeah, we got it situated. So what just happened, I just kind of cut it a little bit more in and then just kind of bent it up because I don't really care how that looks. So hopefully that will give us what we need to get this motor back as far as we possibly can and, you know, up where it needs to be. All right, guys, so we've kind of got it halfway figured out.
Where's the 5/8?
I had to cut a hole in here to kind of get the transmission to be able to move a little bit more. Let me get, I don't know where that went, Zach. I'll grab you this one, hang on. Let me grab this for Zach. All right, so basically, we're gonna end this video right here. She's not fully in there, but she will be. It's close though, we're close. You just gotta probably cut another hole on the other side and then she'll be in there all the way. Anyway, we will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe because we need them. On the road to 200 subs. We'll catch y'all later.